Good evening, class. Today we will work on more examples in fractions. Look at this one. Express 0.575 as a fraction in its lowest terms. As a fraction in its lowest term. Now, 0.575, remove the decimal point. You write 575 over. You write 1. If you remove this decimal point, you remove it by moving your point 3 times. This way, 1, 2, 3. And that's why you are seeing 3 zeros here to make 1000. So 0.575 as a fraction is 575 over 1000. Then reduce to lowest term. 25 will go. Divide 575 by 25, you have 23. Divide 1000 by 25, you have 40. Therefore, 0.575 as a fraction in its lowest term is 23 over 40. Example 2. A boy has 800 naira. He spends 160 naira. What fraction of his original money does he have left? Now, to get the fraction of the original money left, get the money left, amount left will be the original money minus amount spent. So 800 minus 160, which will give you 640. Now, the fraction of his original money he has left will be amount left over original money. That will be the fraction. That is 640 for the amount left over original money. 0 will cancel 0. Naira will cancel naira. You are left with 64 over 80. 8 will divide 64 to give 8. 8 will divide 80 to give 10. You still reduce to lowest term. 2 here 4, 2 here 5. Therefore, that fraction is 4 over 5. That is what the fraction will be. Example 3. Divide this by this and add the result to the product of this and this. Product means multiplication, sum, addition, difference, minus. Now, if you are to divide 20 whole number 15 over 16 by 6 whole number 1 over 4, you will have this. You will have what is written here. Now, adding the result to the product of this and this means you say plus this times this. Now, following your order of operations, you start with division. That's what you have here. This divided by this. Turn this to improper fraction. You say 16 times 20 plus 15 as you did before. It will give you 335 over 16. Your sign. Turn this to improper fraction to give 4 times 6 plus 1. That is 25 over 4. Just as you learned it in our previous class, change your division sign to multiplication sign and reciprocate this so that this turns to 4 over 25. Then you can reduce 4, 1, 4 in 16, 4. 5 in 25 is 5. 5 in 3, 3, 5 is 67. 67 times 1 is 67. 4 times 5 is 20. So the division part gives 67 over 20. Following our order of operation, we consider the multiplication now. This times this. Turning this to improper fraction gives 7 over 4. That is 4 times 1 plus 3. Turning this to improper fraction gives 19 over 5. That is 5 times 3 plus 4. Then you multiply the top number to have 133. bottom numbers to have 20. So for the multiplication part, we have 133 over 20. Now, the last operation that will be considered is addition. You first write the result you got for your division, which is 67 over 20, your addition sign, followed by the result for multiplication, which is 133 over 20. LCM of 20 and 20 is 20. 20 in 20 is 1 times 67, 67 plus 20 in 20 is 1 times 133, which is 133. 67 plus 133 is 200 over 20, that gives 10. Example 4. A woman spent 1 over 3 of her income at the market, 1 over 4 at the chemist, 1 over 6 at the electrical shop, and has 555 naira left. How much money did she have to start with? The money she has to start with, call it X. That will be her original money. Now, money spent at the market is 1 over 3 of X, which is X over 3. Money spent at the chemist is 1 over 4 of X, which is X over 4. Money spent at electrical shop is 1 over 6 of X, which is X over 6. Amount left is 555 naira. Now, I want you to notice that the original money the woman started with will be gotten by adding the money she spent at the market with the one at the chemist, with the one at the electrical shop, and with the one she had left. That is, the original money we said is X from what I wrote here. You start your substitution. Money at the market, X over 3. Money at the chemist, X over 4. Money at the electrical shop, X over 6. Money left, 555. After you've gotten this equation, you use your LCM for 3, 4, 6 to multiply through, which is 12. Multiply each term by 12. Each term multiply by 12. And that's what we have here. 12 will multiply X to give 12X. Here, these 3, we cancel this to give 4. 4 times X is 4X. This 4, we cancel this 12 to give 3. 3 times X is 3X. 6, we cancel this 12 to give 2. 2 times X is 2X. 12 times 555 is 6660. 4X plus 3X plus 2X will give you 9X. Collect your like terms, bring this one here. You have 3X is 6660. Then you divide both sides by 3, and X will give you 2220. So the money she started with will be 2,220 naira. That was the money she started with. That's all.